Hello, this is Steve Fontano. Today I'm playing Avatar. Here I'm playing against Chainsaw Man. This is the King of the Hills game that we're playing at my house. He's on Rico here. Grab the Bing Sword that he mulliganed. Then he's gonna try laying with a stock soul. This is the scary part about Chainsaw Man, is you can push a lot of damage early, like somehow triple cancelled. Oh, I saw something mill 2 climaxes after I triple cancel. I'm gonna bring someone here, then hit. Oh, I saw a gate with my scry. So not gate, I saw a bar with my scry. So just triggered it. He's a Bing Sword here. Hits 1. I'm trying to get a climax. Okay, he got a stock soul. Okay, he's on bond the event. Play the event. Hits 2 more event. It's actually not good. You want them decks to search again. So I'm grab a power. So 1 hits a 0. I'm grab a clean cut. Just swing with clean cut power. Stock soul again. I cancel once. You know, Saha here, clock alarm. So there's nothing deck. So you got Momo. And did Jack salvage. Grab a combo. It's gonna swing with 1 combo. So I'm out of deck anyways. Okay, trigger alarm here. Extra hand. And then he double canceled. So I think he canceled like 3 times on deck 1. But because he like trialing 1 second, he negated a lot of damage. Then he like didn't play anything that himself. I guess maybe clean cut. That you count that one. Okay, he brings 1 hit, got another stock soul. Chainsaw Man just really just play itself. Okay, and play cigarette, got power back. And then it's the same board faster. Combo unfortunately milled 2 climaxes. Okay, he's going to do the penalty salvage too. Plus hand. He doesn't do. He has a lot of stock from playing stock soul return. He triggers a stock soul, then triggers a bar. I cancel a stock soul tag. Pretty good. He didn't trigger the bar. He strike 2 with it, and then put it on bottom. But not on the bottom. Put on the second card. So now he has a cancel guaranteed. Oh, I should have fronted first. Okay, he double canceled. So he's 1-6. He's not going to clog. It's a 2. What did you grab it 1-0 about? Does it look like a clean cut? He has a 1-0 in hand. He's gonna play anyways. I don't have the power either back row. Okay, I cancel 1. Yeah, luckily he didn't have a climax there, I guess. Otherwise I would duck 4, it looks like. But he's really compressed again. So he done level, and then he has a bunch of stock. Okay, so he cancel once. So he only took 3, yeah? Let's refresh. Draw a bar, gonna CX swap here. Let's not play healers. And then he's gonna keep a healer at the back to crash board. And then you can eat the early play with power. So I'll take a 4. I took another 4. It was actually really bad. Because Asaka clocks myself. So I actually need the clock to do Saka. So I'm gonna stock swap here. But he triggered 2 stock soul. So like, I pay out 2 stock soul for him. Like, if he didn't trigger, it would've been really good. But he just like triggered, so now it went back in the deck. And then I have no reverse second, so it's actually really hard to kill. And I don't have enough clock. So I kinda need to like heal. Okay, so I'm gonna heal here. I'm gonna try to do 5 attacks. Okay, I'm gonna helmet back. So I heal twice. So at most I can clock myself 4 times. And I think I'm... Okay, so I have 2 Saka on board. So at least 5 attack. Okay, so first trigger standby doesn't do anything. This is pretty bad. I even put Saka here, it doesn't become 1 attack. Okay, so here's 2 attacks. Okay, well he canceled 3 times already. And only took a 3. So it only can kill. Okay, so standby here. So I can spawn 1 more attack, but I don't have the reach. So even if this 3 lands, like even if this 3 lands, I need 6 low. So it doesn't actually kill. I'm just gonna put level 3 at the front to play over on level 2. It doesn't get a side target. Yeah, I guess RNG stock swap didn't work as well as I hope it would. I guess he refreshed 5, canceled 3 times. Yeah, you red shot 112 clock. Cancel 3 times, and last one hit a brainstorm. But here he's just gonna do Aki things. It'll just have 3 appear eventually. Oh, he needs a climax in hand? Oh yeah, so that might be a problem. Okay. Well, usually the tech is you spam or brainstorm and you get it. So you did a sack brainstorm first. Okay, he's gonna hit. He hit a bar, then got a bar. It's not his combo. Okay, he's ready to go. Okay, he's gonna play a 4 cigarette. Okay, he's gonna play a stock 2. Heal, but he doesn't have a healer in hand. Okay, he's gonna search. He's gonna search a healer. We saw a stock. Didn't actually do anything other than comparse 1, I guess. Pretty sure I'm dead. It's like no way to live. Like I can cancel all 3 attacks, but I can only take 2 burns. Okay, I lived the first Aki. While 4 clicking on the bottom, I see till mill 4 missed. While it's full solve. And hit 2. Okay. The third one hit 2 climaxes. I just back to the burn 2. I think it was close up till I took 8 damage. And then if he has no board, it's hard for me to end the game. Yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. For any questions, suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you.